I am at Tandy Leather. I am going to make my own Louise Carmen inspired leather journal, but I'm going to make it Slytherin themed because Snape, for me, is the hero of Harry Potter. And so I first had to decide leather, if I was going to make it green or what I was going to do. And I'm going to tell you what, I went to this amazing Tandy Leather in Des Moines, Iowa, and I received so much help in picking all of this out. They were just fantastic. And I picked three different ones because I also did a Twilight themed one as well. But the most time consuming part of doing anything with leather, and I learned all of this on my own, was when I went to go actually do some stitching of the leather to put pockets on or even just decorative. It's a very fun repetition. It just takes a really long time. But I've enjoyed the whole process of making them. I think it's very cool to see it when it's completed at the end. And so I went ahead and stitched all the way around. I did put some pockets on the inside, and I am just so thrilled at how it turned out. Now, there's many different tutorials on how to do this. I ended up sewing on my own patches. I did the Slytherin one on the side and then the one on the front. This also extremely time consuming, but I think very worth it because it's hard to glue things onto leather or get it to stick onto leather. So this is what it looks like completed. I ordered the charm for the outside with the sorting hat, and I actually put leather on the back of that. It was see-through. And then I have a charm on the back end, and I just love the whole journal. I have a pin there that says head girl, and then when you open it up, you can put whatever you want in here, but I did take a Slytherin tie and cut it apart and made it into pockets. And these are all my different journals. One is specifically just for tangling. One is a Hobonichi planner that I have linked in my Amazon affiliate. I just love how it turned out. I love it so much. So let me know in the comments. I am making more of these journals that I will be putting either in my Etsy shop or on my website, which is outside the lines, LINZ.com, or my Etsy shop. Everything is outside the lines. So make sure you hit that subscribe and let me know if you like to see more, and let me know how you like this. Have a great day.